Well, Glenn Douglas with LA Custom Bulls. Thought I'd give you a little sound of construction, let you listen to that noise. I think the homeowner said we're on day roughly 19, so that means that we've come in and steeled the pool, dug it, steeled it, plumbed it, got an inspection. So as you can see, we got the guys here asking questions. Go right ahead. Good morning, how are you? Yes. No, I want a point. Point on each side. And then the other two miter points are going to be at that love seat. We're excited to see this come together. So signing out from Rialto, you guys have a great day.